Yes, the Canon Pixma MG2522 can print from phones using wireless connectivity and the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. This functionality is still operational as of 2025. However, keep in mind this is an older model with some limitations. It was first released around 2014-2015. There are two main ways to print from your phone to the Canon Pixma MG2522. You can use Wi-Fi Direct for a direct connection without needing a router, or connect through your home Wi-Fi network. Wi-Fi Direct allows your phone to connect directly to the printer, which is useful when you're away from home or don't have access to a Wi-Fi network. This method is straightforward and doesn't require router configuration. For the home Wi-Fi network method, both your phone and printer must be connected to the same router. This is convenient for everyday printing at home and allows access to network resources. For iOS devices like iPhones and iPads, the easiest way is to use AirPrint, which is built into iOS. Simply select Print from any compatible app and choose your printer from the list. Android users should download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app from the Google Play Store. This app allows you to print photos and documents directly from your Android device to the MG2522. First, ensure your Pixma MG2522 is connected to Wi-Fi or enable Wi-Fi Direct. Download the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app. Open the app and follow the printer setup instructions, which might involve scanning a QR code on the printer or manually selecting your printer model. Once paired, you can select and print photos JPEG, PNG, or documents PDF directly from your phone. The MG2522 uses Wi-Fi 802.11b LAN for connectivity. Wi-Fi Direct creates a direct peer-to-peer connection. AirPrint is Apple's protocol, allowing printing without additional software. The Canon app supports cloud printing from services like Google Drive and Dropbox and offers basic editing features. The Canon Pixma MG2522 has several limitations to consider when using mobile printing. This model lacks Bluetooth support, requiring Wi-Fi or direct connection methods. It has limited cloud integration compared to newer printers, with basic support for services like Google Drive. Print speed is slow, around 8 pages per minute for black and white text. Compatibility issues may arise with newer mobile operating systems like iOS 18 or Android 15. Parts such as ink cartridges are getting harder to source due to the model's age. The printing industry is moving towards app-centric, cloud-integrated, and sustainable printing solutions. While the MG2522 supports basic mobile printing, it lacks advanced features like AI corrections, voice-activated printing, and refillable ink systems found in newer models. Consider upgrading for better security, features, and long-term support. If you encounter connection problems, ensure both your phone and printer are on the same Wi-Fi network or properly paired via Wi-Fi Direct. Update the Canon Print Inkjet Selfie app to the latest version to ensure compatibility with your device's operating system. For iOS devices, verify AirPrint is enabled in your settings to allow seamless printing from your phone. If issues persist, restart both the printer and your phone. Also, check Wi-Fi stability. Ensure your device runs a compatible operating system and verify the printer has adequate ink levels. The Canon Pixma MG2522 remains a cost-effective solution for basic mobile printing needs, especially for occasional home use. However, its age, limited features, and potential compatibility issues make it less future-proof. If you require advanced features, faster printing, or better cloud integration, consider upgrading to a newer Canon Pixma model.